What's up, guys? Quick update for you. Terra Classic's price doing some weird things. We're going to check it out real quick here. All right, so we have Terra Classic here. As you can see, price has been going pretty flat here last week or so, but we suddenly have this big wick here. Let's zoom in so you can see better. We'll go on the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute chart, you can see, boom, huge green candle where the price went from about 23 up to 27 in just a few minutes. So how does this happen? Well, this could be a whale making a very large purchase, because that's basically what it means when you just see suddenly the price go way up or way down in a minute or a few minutes. Pretty unlikely that suddenly a bunch of random people all bought at the same time. So most likely a whale made a massive purchase here. So of course, as soon as the price pumped, a lot of people took profits and it came back down because a lot of people are pretty bearish on Terra Classic right now, as it's in a bit of a downtrend. However, I would say the current prices we're at are good prices to be accumulating if you're still bullish long term, because we're on support here and the price is flattened out pretty nicely, meaning there probably isn't too much the price probably won't go too much lower. I mean, I'd say a good chance we could still come down to like 15 at some point over the next few months, possibly. Wouldn't be surprised at all if we head down to 15 at some point, but I mean, maybe not. Maybe we'll hold this support this whole time for months. Who knows? But either way, when the price is starting to go flat like this, that's the best time to be accumulating. Just like after this pump, the price went flat, and we said many times to be buying at these levels when it's going flat, because usually when the price is going flat like this, there's going to be another big move coming in the future. So that could be what's happening here. We might be going flat for a few months and then possibly see another big move up. However, so you could be dollar cost averaging in right now over the next few months if you're still bullish on it. However, I want to make you aware that it is still risky. I mean, Terra Classic isn't a for sure thing. It's not going to for sure go to a cent or whatever. Nobody knows. So it's still risky, and the future of Terra Classic isn't clear. We already had the 1.2% burn was the major hype that made these pumps possible, and we really don't have that huge catalyst anymore. So that is a bit more concerning. I think there's still going to be a lot of great developments with Terra Classic, and I mean the blockchain actually went from pretty much dead to now being revived, and there's staking again, and projects can build on it again. It's a functioning blockchain, so it actually has revived, which means the future could be very bright for Terra Classic. Of course, there still needs to be continued work on it and more things coming. So yeah, it's not super clear now. So yes, it is a bit risky to be buying Terra Classic, but if things work out, there could be massive gains. Could even head to 1 cent next year. So we'll see. But if you are going to be buying a crypto, the best time is when the price is going flat like this and it's super boring and nobody's paying attention. And that's pretty much where we are right now. So if you're bullish long term, these are decent prices to start dollar cost averaging. We could go a little bit lower in the future over the next few months, but I'd say decent prices right now. So yeah, and we saw this big this big pump right here in just a few minutes, indicating a whale probably made a large purchase. So usually when whales are buying, it's usually it's usually a good idea to swim with the whales, to follow what they're doing. Usually they know what they're doing. So if whales are buying, that makes me feel a bit more bullish. So we'll see. But yeah, looking over at Bitcoin actually, so Terra Classic chart going sideways, kind of boring, and Bitcoin has been going sideways, extremely boring, but Bitcoin actually coming up to a very pivotal point here where we're going to see a massive move here very soon. If we zoom out, you can see this year-long descending resistance. We are hitting that right now. So either we're going to break that resistance and start a pump, or we're going to break the support at 19,000 finally and have one more big dump for this bear market. So we'll see that happen within the next 2 weeks. This weekly candle is about to close. Looks like it's going to close right under the resistance. So we'll have to wait till next week or even the following to see a breakout. So within the next 2 weeks, we should see a massive move for Bitcoin. Could be the last dump for the bear market, giving us amazing buying opportunities, or it could be a breakout and this could be a double bottom, W pattern, and we could start pumping into our next bull market. So next year could be very good for crypto. So, this year it's been a bear market. I mean, we actually did extremely well during this bear market thanks to us being in Terra Classic and making thousands of dollars off these huge pumps. So when everyone else was losing money during this bear market, we actually were making thousands of dollars. Feels pretty good. But, bear markets are a lot more difficult to make money in, but we should be heading back into a bull market soon. Maybe next year crypto will be heading back up, and making money in crypto will once again be a lot easier. So good times are coming, guys. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this update and you found value in this video. And thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.